Hello everyone, let me show you some PSC questions of Code 165 2016. First one, Guwahati is situated on the bank of the river Brahmaputra. Second, in which sector Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Grama Jyoti Yojana relates rural power supply? Third, in which place Gandhiji began his active involvement in Indian politics? Champaran. Fourth, the midday meal scheme has been launched by the Union Minister of Human Resource Development. Fifth, hail the soldier, hail the farmer. Who said this? Lal Bahadur Shastri. Sixth, which is the southernmost river of Kerala? Neyyar. Next, seventh, who is known as the political father of Elavons? Dr. Palpu. Eighth, who ordered to start a school along with every church? Kuriakose Elias Chavara. Thank you. Hello.